It's midweek, Wednesday, May 20, and markets across Nigeria and global economy continue to react to inflation concerns, investment activity, and shifting geopolitical developments. I am Aniya Shukra, and here are the top business stories making headlines. We'll begin at home, where Central Bank of Nigeria has announced a 650 billion naira treasury bill auctions aimed at funding short-term government obligation and managing liquidity within the financial system. The auction includes multiple maturities, with investment expected to submit bids before the May 20 deadline. Financial analysts say the move reflects the Apex Bank continued efforts to control inflationary pressure while also attracting investor participation in government securities. The development comes at a time when businesses and consumers are still adjusting to high borrowing costs and broader economic reforms affecting spending and investment decisions across the country. Still in Nigeria, trading activities on the Nigerian exchange closed on a positive note after 4 consecutive sessions of losses. World Cement, alongside several large-cap banking, record gains helped to lift overall market sentiment. Market watchers say renewed investor confidence, bargain hunting, and expectations surrounding corporate earnings contributed to the rebound. Analysts note that the banking and industrial stocks continue to play a major role in stabilizing the local equity market despite ongoing economic uncertainties. Now, moving on across Africa, the Africa Finance Corporation has announced a $100 million investment initiative targeted at strengthening Africa's startup ecosystem and reducing dependence on foreign-owned venture capital. The initiative is expected to support innovation, technology expansion, and African-led enterprise across several sectors, including fintech, infrastructure, and digital services. Experts say the move could help create more opportunities for young entrepreneurs while improving local ownership within Africa's rapidly growing technology space. And at the global scene, investors remain cautious as concerns over inflation and geopolitical tension continue to affect international markets. Asia share tracked loss seen on Wall Street, while the US dollar climbed to a 6-week high amid expectation that interest rates could remain elevated for longer. Meanwhile, crude prices rose by nearly 3% following fears of possible supply disruption linked to tension involving Iran and wider Middle East region. Analysts say rising energy prices could further complicate inflation management for many economies already dealing with high living costs and slowing growth. And in aviation, Qatar Airways has reported strong fiscal results for 2025-2026 fiscal year, posting a $1.94 billion profit after transporting more than 41.8 million passengers globally. The airline says the performance reflects continued recovery in international travel demand and expansion across key global routes. And that wraps up today's business update.